Hi everyone, today I'm cooking with my mom, so we'll show you how to cook ginataang mais, a Filipino dessert. So let's start. First, soak your glutinous rice in water, or you can just use plain rice. Glutinous rice is better because it gives you that thick consistency. Next, over medium-high heat, continuously stir your coconut milk until it boils. Next, add in your glutinous rice, continuously stirring to avoid sticking at the bottom of your pan. Notice how your mom cooks at home. They don't really follow certain measurement of things. They always say, tansya-tansya na lang yan. Next, add in your can of corn kernels, including its water to give you that extra corn flavor. And of course, continuously stirring it to avoid sticking at the bottom of your pan. By the way, that's my mom cooking. So as you can see how tedious this is because of that continuous stirring that you're doing. Next, we add in the sugar. So if you added too many sugar, you can just add salt. Maybe in the background you will hear my mom say no measurement because that is what you call tansya-tansya. Well, that's how every Filipino mom cooks. And next, we add in the coconut cream. So by the way, for this recipe, we use freshly grated coconut because it's a lot more cheaper, much more healthier, and continuously stirring. I think every household has their own secret ingredient, so now my mom is adding her secret ingredient, which is a can of evaporated milk. So you'll have to continuously stir it and bring it to a boil until the glutinous rice is soft and the texture is a bit thick. So here is the finished product, and I enjoyed cooking with my mom, and I do hope you like this video. Have a great day. Bye.